today there's this controversy about the ruling, the judgment about the existence, the registration of the party, ADC, and all that. And then there's this school of thought that some lawyers are saying, if the judge has ordered for duration of this party, there's absolutely no reason why they should come into court. Let's get your position. Are you amongst those who have that school of thought that the judge should sit on this case?
The law is very strict on this issue. It strikes that there are only two persons that come before a court: a natural person and a juristic person. A natural person like you and I. And once you are dead, you don't have any business coming before the court. A dead body does not come before a court. On the other side, a juristic person, once a court or any regulatory agency declares that body non-existent, it means that that body is dead. And as such, that body does not have any other business in court. That was why at the last adjourned date, I raised this issue. Why are we still in court over this matter? That my Lord, Honorable Justice Peter Lifu, had declared ADC dead and ordered INEC to go and deregister ADC. So how can you in one breath declare a party dead and in another breath sitting over a dead party? It's strange to me. It's very, very strange to me. And I also know it's also strange to all the journalists that are interviewing me now. And we were ready to proceed on this same argument today. That, my Lord, you cannot proceed on this matter any longer. You had declared ADC dead. And at the last adjourned date, you even made an order that ADC should pay a cost of 500,000 naira. So who is going to pay that cost now? Who is going to pay that cost? We should stop ridiculing the judiciary. And yesterday, some of you are aware that the applicant which I represent in Kemakolamo Kando filed a suit against Honorable Justice Tsoho and Honorable Justice Peter Lifu. And the matter came up yesterday. And they were represented by one senior advocate. What is his name again? I probably have forgotten. So they've entered appearance for Honorable Justice Lifu and Honorable Justice Tsoho. So why are they still handling this matter? A matter that they are interested in. My brother, it is a very strange period for us in the judiciary. And we are saying, we must save judiciary from total collapse. From total collapse. What is their special interest in handling this matter, this ADC matter? What is their special interest? If they are saying, don't handle this matter, we have lost confidence in you. I will make available the processes filed by the applicant. In this court, the applicant made far-reaching allegations against the justices of this court, Justice Tsoho and Justice Lifu, that they are corrupt judges. Yes. In the process they fight, that they are corrupt judges. So how can you? No, please, how can you after you have entered appearance to defend an allegation of corruption? You are still sitting on that matter. Then will an ordinary man on the streets say that that the applicant will get judgment or get favorable ruling or outcome in this matter?
But does the ruling of the Court of Appeal, which says that the execution of that judgment initially given by Justice Lifu to be not be executed at the moment, does it not give grief for this matter to actually continue?
It does not. It does not. At the moment, Justice Lifu declared ADC dead. What the Court of Appeal has done is to say, hold on for the burial of ADC. Let us look into it and see whether we can resurrect ADC like Jesus resurrected Lazarus. But in the eyes of the law, in the eyes of Justice Lifu, ADC is dead. All until ADC is resurrected by another judgment of a superior court. But as of today, ADC is dead. And if ADC is dead, there is no reason why this matter should still be on in Justice Lifu's court. That's our position.
Thanks. What name are you representing?
My name is Carlo Ago. And my client is Nkimakulam Okando, the applicant seeking to be joined, and also the plaintiff in the matter of bias and corruption against Justice Lifu and Justice Omotosho. I mean Justice Tsoho.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
We announced our appearances, and the court had to retire to chambers to attend to some official engagements, and later we received the information that with the volume of work that he has to deal with, it won't be possible for the court to continue to. So we are forced to take adjournment, and we have agreed unanimously for 30th of this month for hearing of pending applications. So that is what happened today.
On the last adjournment, the judge refused to recuse himself after all applications being filed for it to recuse himself. How do you feel about this, and how does this affect your case going forward?
No, it's normal. It's normal. We filed an application. It's our right to file an application. It's the right of the court to either grant or refuse the application. And the court did refuse the application. And we have filed a notice of appeal and also filed an application for stay of proceedings. So when we come back on the 30th of this month, we shall address that. So there's nothing wrong with what the court has done, and there's nothing wrong with us filing an application. It's our right that we exercise, and the right of the court to either grant or refuse the application. And as you are aware, the court refused the application, and it's our right to appeal against that ruling, and we have filed an appeal against that ruling, as well as an application to have the proceedings stayed pending the determination of that appeal. So on the next adjourned date, we shall be asking the court to allow us to move that application, because before that time the application would have been ripe for hearing.